This drawing is best suited for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10, and it's actually a butterfly. See how big we are trying to trace down its wings so that it will look more and more attractive, and her antennae are also curved and very good. This one is best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. It's the chick, and see how easy it is. It looks so cute from the spherical shapes. You are able to draw this one. Let's try to trace down two little fishes that are facing each other, and this one is very easy and best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. I am using black marker here. You can first draw using the pencil, after that you can make the outline using the marker. From these two commas, we are trying to trace down the birds that are sitting on the branch of a tree. Difficulty level is again very easy, and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Thank you. Next one is the animal that's white and somewhat pinkish in color. Actually, they are black also in color, but most of them are white ones. Yes, we are talking about the rabbits, and we are going to trace it down in just few easy simple steps. We are also drawing a carrot that it's holding in its hand, and it loves to have carrots daily. Fill it with white and the carrot with orange color.